THINKWARE Q1000 QHD Dashcam Review. Imagine you're driving down the road and a sudden event happens, a fender bender, or an unexpected accident. How confident are you that you'll have clear, reliable footage to back you up? That's where a high-quality dashcam like the THINKWARE Q1000 comes into play. Today, we'll break down what this model offers and whether it's truly a game-changer for your vehicle's security. The THINKWARE Q1000 is a front and rear dashcam that boasts a suite of advanced features designed to offer maximum clarity and convenience. With QHD 1440p resolution, it captures stunningly clear footage, ensuring you don't miss out on crucial details in the event of an incident. It also includes built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, allowing you to easily access your footage and track your location via the THINKWARE mobile app. Whether it's during the day or night, the STARVIS Night Vision ensures your recordings are clear, even in low-light conditions. And with 24H parking mode, you can rest easy knowing your vehicle is protected, even when you're not around. The Q1000 is equipped with a 156-degree wide-angle lens, so you'll have a broader view of your surroundings, reducing blind spots. It also comes with a 32GB memory card out of the box, making installation even more straightforward. This model features a G-sensor and sensor technology, which detects any sudden impacts and ensures that the footage is securely saved, making sure it's available for any potential claims. But is this dashcam worth your investment? Let's dive into the key benefits and a few things to consider. Key features. 1. QHD 1440 video capture resolution. Clear, high-definition video for better detail and clarity. 2. STARVIS Night Vision provides superior image quality even in low-light conditions. 3. Built-in Wi-Fi and GPS allows for easy footage management and location tracking. 4. 24-hour parking mode ensures your car is monitored around the clock, even when parked. Pros and cons. Pros: exceptional video quality. The QHD resolution ensures every detail is captured, whether it's the license plate of another vehicle or the road conditions at the time of the incident. Great night vision. Thanks to the STARVIS sensor, night footage is incredibly clear, which is often a pain point with other dashcams. Ease of use. The mobile app makes accessing footage a breeze, and the 32GB memory card included means you don't have to buy extra storage right away. Wide field of view. The 156-degree wide-angle lens means fewer blind spots, offering a much wider capture area than standard dashcams. Cons? Installation. Although not overly complicated, the installation can be tricky for those who haven't installed dashcams before. Professional installation may be needed. Price. It's on the higher end of the price spectrum compared to some other models, so it may not be the best option for budget-conscious buyers. App syncing issues. Some users have reported occasional issues with syncing the dashcam to the mobile app via Wi-Fi. Comparison. Compared to other popular models in the same price range, such as the Garmin Dashcam 66 BAU and the Blackview DR750X 2CH, the Q1000 excels in video resolution with its 440p capture, which is higher than both the Garmin and Blackview's 1080p options. Additionally, the wide 156-degree field of view is wider than the Garmin's 180 degrees, but not quite as expansive as the Blackview's 160 degrees. While both competitors provide solid night vision, the STARVIS sensor in the Q1000 provides slightly clearer low-light footage. Build quality and longevity. The THINKWARE Q1000 is well built, with a durable and sleek design that fits well with most vehicle interiors. Though long-term reliability data is scarce, THINKWARE's reputation for producing high-quality dashcams gives confidence that this model should last. It's made from high-quality materials, ensuring the build is sturdy enough to handle the heat and pressure of constant vehicle use. Customer support. THINKWARE has a reputation for reliable customer service, with many users reporting timely responses and helpful advice. While I haven't personally interacted with customer support, the general feedback from users on various forums has been positive. Who it's for. This dashcam is perfect for anyone who's serious about keeping their vehicle protected, whether you're a daily commuter, a long-distance driver, or someone who wants peace of mind while their car is parked. It's especially useful for those who want top-tier video quality and advanced features like parking mode and GPS. Conclusion. Strong option. If you're looking for a dashcam that offers superior video quality, great night vision, and a wide field of view, the THINKWARE Q1000 is one of the top choices in its class. It's perfect for those who value high performance and reliability, though it's priced on the higher end. But if budget is a concern, or you're looking for a simpler setup, consider alternatives like the Garmin 66W, which offers solid features at a more affordable price. If this breakdown is helping you out, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe. Let's get your dashcam game to the next level. Thank you for watching, and remember to check out the links in the comments if you want to grab the THINKWARE Q1000 for yourself. We're always here for your next auto tech upgrade. Goodbye till next time, and stay autovated.